We asked, "What can you do?"
He answered, "As an AI language model, I can perform a variety of tasks, including answering questions and providing information on a wide range of topics, generating text based on prompts or inputs, translation between different languages, summarizing text or documents, generating poetry or creative writing, helping with research by finding and organizing information, providing recommendations based on user preferences, conducting conversations on various topics." However, it's important to note that my responses are based solely on the information that has been inputted, and may not always be accurate or complete. Additionally, while I am able to simulate human-like conversation, I am not a human and do not have feelings or emotions.
We asked, "What is the difference between you and the previous version 3?
He answered, "As an AI language model, I am a successor to the previous version of OpenAI's language model, GPT-3. While there are many similarities between the two models, there are also several key differences. Training data. I have been trained on a larger and more diverse dataset than GPT-3. My training data includes a wider range of topics and languages, which allows me to generate more accurate and diverse responses to user inputs. Architecture. I have a larger neural network architecture than GPT-3, with more parameters and layers. This allows me to process and analyze larger amounts of data and generate more complex and sophisticated responses. Few-shot learning capabilities. One of my key advantages over GPT-3 is my ability to learn and generalize from fewer examples, known as few-shot learning. This means I can generate accurate responses based on a smaller amount of input, which is useful for a range of applications such as chatbots or personal assistants. Improved performance. Due to my larger size and more advanced training techniques, I am able to generate more coherent, informative, and fluent responses compared to GPT-3. Overall, while there are similarities between the two models, I have been designed to be a more powerful and versatile language model, with improved performance and capabilities compared to my predecessor.